Yo boys, what is good? Today we're doing a trade literally forgot trade backtesting. Now I did this yesterday in my vlog. It wasn't even that good, but I'm still just trying to practice a little bit of backtesting because I feel like it would be beneficial on the weekends instead of just like not doing anything like trading. And I need to keep putting in the reps, so that's what I'm going to do. But let's just get into it. So what we do is we will go on to like the daily. We can't go too far back, otherwise we can't go into the lower time frames. We will just go on this point here. And then here we go. Now we just try to predict where price is going to go. And yeah, let's see where price is going to go. So in the daily, we are currently bullish. We just broke structure, filled in this long time frame, this high time frame gap, this void, filled it up, and we're getting a reaction off of it. We broke structure to the upside right here, and we're starting to push up. We disrespected this gap. Well, we didn't really disrespect it. It already got filled and then pushed down. It got its reaction. Didn't really disrespect it. We also filled in this void over here. I'll mark it out for you guys. We filled it in more and then we pushed up, which is cool. If we're gonna go for longs, what we'd want to target is this high, these previous highs over here for sure, and any other. And if we're gonna go really high, we'll push up to over here. And these are the things you'd want to target, you know. But that's for that. If we wanted to go, if we want to go for shorts, we're gonna have to target down here. And also down here. And even now here, that's like a thing we can target if we want to go for shorts. So I'm just marking out the lows and the highs where we can go for shorts and like our take profits. Let's go have a look at the weekly real quick. Okay, so the weekly, we're looking and we are bullish. What's getting me a little bit skeptical on these buys on this long position is there's very long wicks, which is a little scary. Price is struggling to go up on the weekly. For 4 weeks, we had a doji, but we did fill in this weekly gap and we've got a bullish reaction out of that. Let me quickly mark equilibrium. Move down, we'll just do it to a move up. We hit discounted price and we're starting to rally up. So we're looking for buys for sure. This is looking perfect. Can we come in here, see if there's like anything? Not really. I mean, we swept out liquidity here and we're starting to rally from this downtrend. That's good. There's no gaps really. I mean, there's a gap here that we might be able to target, but we're definitely looking for buys today for sure. Let's start going on to the lower time frames. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, we're overextended. No, not really. We got some black candles, but like we went really high. Yeah, we broke structure, long wick as well again, which is, but anyways, we took it out and we kept going up. Is there an order block anywhere? I mean, this swept out this low. We don't even have to mark it. There's not really anything to mark unless there's one up here because we swept out liquidity. This could very well be an order block right here. I think this is an order block because we swept out liquidity. I don't know what I'm saying. There's not, I mean, is it? I don't know. I'm not like some shitty order block kind of guy. Maybe I am. I don't know if it is or not. Guys, I am low-key busting right now. I need to go to the toilet, but I'm gonna hold it in. Locked in. On the 1 hour, let's have a look at the 1 hour. Nothing too much on the 4 hour other than we're bullish. Getting a little bit of chopsters, not really though. We got a long wick to the downside, like really low, sweeping out this liquidity and rising up, which is good. We filled in this gap a lot and we're still pushing up. This is looking really good. I'm gonna go. Shit. Bro, that was mad. That was like some crazy stuff there. That was... Anyways, back to the video. On the 1 hour, on the hourly, let's have a look at what is happening. So we got this gap that hasn't got filled yet. I might mark hourly. I feel like we might retrace into this discounted zone, fill in this gap probably on the hourly. But we're bullish. We're bullish on every time frame, so this is really good. We are looking for longs to go for. On the 30-minute, we are also bullish. Haven't broke structure, might form a little bit of a retrace. 15-minute, still bullish. Oh no, we broke structure, but I think it's just high time frame retrace. 5-minute, same thing. It's going down a little bit, but probably gonna fill in all these voids, these imbalances. But I think we know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go for longs. This is like really good. Let's look for confirmation. We don't really have actual confirmation, so I might just skip through a little. Oh my, whoa. We got a big move down on the 5-minute, which took out this liquidity and filled out this gap here. Whoa, that was big, but we're starting to rally up now. Let's try look for confirmation. Whoa, that is definitely a news. No, that's market open actually. Never mind, that wasn't a news movement. It was just market open. That's kind of cool. I marked exactly on market open. Just gonna play it out a little bit more. Alright, so we're in an uptrend. We just disrespected this gap. This is gonna be our confirmation. Disrespected this gap, broke structure back to the upside. We swept out these lows on the 1-minute and filled this void a little bit more. Perfect for buys on the 5-minute. Let's have a look at the 5-minute. Same thing, we broke structure on the 5-minute. We are in this gap, but it is open, so I'm not too scared. We do have this long wick. We do have this long wick here. It's a little bit scary, but I think we're very bullish. We're gonna keep pushing up. We might make a high time frame retrace. If I go back onto the daily, looks like we might be making a retrace. So I don't know if I want to go for shorts or not. 4 hour. Not too sure. I think I'm just gonna stick with bullish bias. If we do wanna push down, we're probably gonna want to take out like this kind of liquidity and shit. Alright, let's go into a buy. We got our confirmation on the 5-minute and 1-minute that we're going up. So we're gonna take buys and let's see what happens. Let's mark out. We already have it marked out. Alright, so our take profits. Let's quickly put in this long position. Let's hope we don't get stopped out the first candle. That would be annoying. A 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Pretty good. Let's go into a buy. And let's see what happens. So we'll have our take profit up here for a profit of exactly 1,175. And our stop loss exactly down here for a loss of $755. Let's play it out. And let's hope we actually do good. Okay, we're rallying. Oh, we're going down. Rallying higher, rallying higher. I'm going to pause. Oh, bang. Hit our take profit. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know. That was pretty good. It's a lot easier when you're just looking at the charts, but we got a big move up, and then we just hit our take profit. So let's see what happens after the trade if we push up or we reverse. Alright guys, so we hit our final take profit, and so alright guys, we hit our final take profit, which was pretty good. It's a lot easier when we're just like, it's not like live trading. It's pretty easy to read the market. But if we go into the higher time frame, let's have a look at this. We made this retrace, and then we just pushed up even more, which was really good. So we hit our take. Dang, that was a really good trade. We swept out this liquidity here, and now we're reversing. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video of backtesting. Tomorrow we're actually going to be doing a trade recap because market's open. But laters.